Welcome back to another video. In this video, I will insert the tracking code on my WordPress blog. So this is the code which I need to insert on my WordPress blog. So instead of copying this code, I will use a plugin where it will automatically pull the tracking ID and insert the code on all pages. So for that, we need to log in into the admin area. So let me log in into my admin area, bestcomputerchess.in/wp admin. And here I need to put my credentials. So once I am logged in into my admin area, so I'll go on plugins and I'll click on add new. Here we need to search Google Analytics. So there are plenty of plugins in the WordPress plugin ecosystem, and you can use any one of them which has relatively good rating. So I will just install this. Uh, this plugin seems to have 1 million active installation and have a good rating as well. So we need to click on install now. So once it is installed, we need to click on activate. So once it is activated, we can see a whole separate section for Google Analytics. So here we need to click on general settings. So this particular WordPress plugin is going to get access from my analytic account directly, and it's going to add the code automatically. So I'll click on authorize plugin, and in this page I will click on get access code. So this will open a new page, and here I have to select my account. So I need to click on this, and I need to click on allow access. So it will allow access to my Google Analytics dashboard. So this is the code which I need to copy and put it back here. So I need to paste it here, and I need to click on save access code. And then we need to click on save changes. And what you can see here is that instead of copy pasting the tracking ID or tracking code, what this plugin has done is that it has got access to my Google Analytics account directly, and it has pulled the tracking ID, okay, tracking ID for this particular website. So here you can see we have not copy pasted this tracking ID, but this particular tracking ID has now come here, okay. So this tracking ID, you can see it is the same. Okay, so it has pulled the tracking ID. This plugin has pulled the tracking ID. So what basically this plugin does, it creates a code and place it on all the pages of this particular blog. Okay, so it has placed all the code in this particular blog. So we have successfully installed the Google Analytics code by using the Google Analytics plugin. So in the next video, we will debug the tracking code installation. So I'll see you in the next video. Till then, take care and bye bye.